Are you looking to learn how to care for your hibiscus plant? Well, you're in the right place. Caring for a hibiscus plant is not as difficult as it may seem. With a little bit of knowledge and some tender, loving care, your hibiscus plant will thrive and blossom beautifully. First and foremost, your hibiscus plant needs the right amount of sunlight. Place it in an area where it can get at least 6 hours of direct sunlight every day, remember? Hibiscus plants love the sun, but they can also tolerate some light shade. Next, let's talk about watering your hibiscus plant. It's important to keep the soil evenly moist, but not waterlogged. Water your plant when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. A good rule of thumb is to water your hibiscus plant deeply and then let the soil dry out slightly before watering again. In terms of fertilizer, hibiscus plants benefit from regular feeding. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer once a month during the growing season. This will help promote healthy growth and vibrant flowers. However, be sure to follow the instructions on the fertilizer package, as over-fertilization can harm your plant. Lastly, pruning your hibiscus plant is essential for its health and appearance. Prune any dead or damaged branches to encourage new growth. Additionally, you can prune the tips of the branches to promote fuller and bushier growth. Just be mindful not to remove too much at once, as this can stress the plant. By following these simple steps, you can ensure the proper care of your hibiscus plant. Remember to provide adequate sunlight, water your plant correctly, fertilize regularly, and prune when needed. With a little bit of attention, your hibiscus plant will reward you with stunning blooms year after year. Enjoy the beauty and joy that comes with caring for a hibiscus plant.